Did you know that spiral rib pipe is manufactured from a continuous strip of metallic-coated or polymer-coated steel? The steel sheet is then passed through a roll-forming line that forms the external ribs and the edges. The rolled shape section is then helically formed into pipe, and the edges are joined by lock seaming. The finished product has the structural characteristics needed for installation and a smooth interior for improved hydraulics.
This has been an NCSPA production. For more information, visit us online at ncspa.org. Like and subscribe below.
Helically